Hey guys, it's Devin Burke, high performance health coach and your guide to living your healthiest, best life. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my secret to improving digestion. Okay, so digestion is really important to optimize and to focus on, and a lot of people today have a lot of trouble digesting their food. Now, as you're probably aware, you've heard the saying, you are what you eat. Well, that's true, but you also are what you're able to digest. And if you're not digesting your food properly, you're not gonna have optimal health or energy. So it's really important to focus on improving your digestion. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the simplest way. Now, it's not the easiest way, but it's the simplest way that'll massively improve your digestion and increase your health and energy. So, let's jump right in. The practice is called mindful eating. Now, let's first talk about what mindless eating is. So mindless eating is what most of us do on a day-to-day basis, and that simply is eating while we're driving, while we're on the phone, while we're watching TV, while we're talking, while maybe we're reading a book. It's not really being fully present with our food. Now, what this creates is, one, we eat a lot faster. What that creates is a lack of chewing our food. And digestion actually begins in the mouth. So if you're not chewing your food, you're not getting the most out of your food. The average person chews between 6 and 7 times before swallowing. I'm gonna challenge you to chew between 20 and 30 times. Now you may think to yourself, oh, there's no way. Just try to chew a little bit more than 6 to 7 and you'll start to notice a difference. Now, mindful eating starts with number 1, slowing down. Now, a simple way to slow down is simply to take a couple deep breaths. If you breathe into your stomach, nice and slow, 5 deep breaths before you start your meal, and you want to eliminate distraction. So you want to turn the phone upside down, maybe put it on silent. You want to try to eat in a calm, relaxed state. Studies have also shown that eating in a calm, relaxed state optimizes digestion by way of it changes the amount of stomach acid. And you want to make sure you have proper stomach acid so that your digestion is working properly. So, number 1, slow down. Number 2, really simple, chew your food. We talked about why that's important. So 1, slow down, 2, chew your food, 3, just limit the distractions. Now to start the process of mindful eating, just pick one meal, ideally breakfast, because usually that's the meal either we're skipping or we're eating in a really rushed state. And just practice slowing down, chewing your food, and eating, and watch. You do this for a week, and leave me a comment below. I guarantee you, your digestion is going to improve, and with that, your energy levels. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Hey guys, thanks for joining me in this episode. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more strategies to increase your energy and performance, click right here and I'll send you my 5 strategy guide for increasing energy. Also, subscribe to my channel by clicking right here, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for joining me.